Are you ready to get started with Amaysim? Follow this easy guide to activate your Amaysim SIM card in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a new customer or switching from another provider, activation is quick and simple. Let's dive in. Step 1. Insert your SIM card. First, make sure you have your Amaysim SIM card. Insert it into your phone's SIM tray. For most phones, this will be located on the side or top of the device. Tip: ensure your phone is switched off before inserting the SIM. Step 2. Power on your phone. Once your SIM card is in place, turn on your phone. Wait a few moments for it to fully start up. Step 3. Connect to the network. When your phone powers on, it should automatically detect the Amaysim network. If you're using a compatible phone, it will show Amaysim in the top corner of the screen. Tip: if you don't see the network immediately, try restarting your phone or check that the SIM card is inserted correctly. Step 4. Visit the Amaysim activation website. Now, grab your device and open your web browser. Go to the official Amaysim activation page, which you can find at amaysim.com.au/activate. This page will guide you through the activation process. Step 5. Enter your details. On the activation page, you will be asked to provide some personal information. You will need to enter your Amaysim SIM number, found on the SIM card packaging, your mobile number, if you're porting your number from another carrier, your email address. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 6. Choose your plan. Amaysim offers a variety of prepaid plans. You'll be asked to select the plan that best suits your needs. Browse through the available options, choose your desired plan, and continue with the setup. Step 7. Complete the activation. After selecting your plan, simply click on the Activate button. The activation process should take only a few minutes, though it might take longer if you're porting an existing number. Tip: if you're transferring your number from another carrier, it can take up to 4 hours for the porting process to complete. Step 8. Test your service. Once activated, try sending a text, making a call, or browsing the internet to ensure everything is working correctly. Tip: if your phone isn't connecting properly, restart it or check that you're in an area with network coverage. Step 9. Enjoy your Amaysim service. Now that your Amaysim SIM is activated, you're ready to enjoy your plan and stay connected. Need help? If you run into any issues during activation, you can contact Amaysim's customer support team through their website or via the My Amaysim app. They're available to help with any problems you may encounter. With these simple steps, your Amaysim SIM card is activated and ready to go. Enjoy your new plan and happy browsing. Subscribe for more tutorials and helpful guides.